Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Orlando, where we talk all things outdoor living. In today's episode, we're going to look at a decision many homeowners face sooner or later. Should you repair your existing deck, or is it time to replace it entirely? It's a big call, and getting it right can save you both money and headaches. Let's start with what you see. Maybe you've noticed a few cracked boards, a loose railing, or some soft spots on the steps. These can be warning signs, but they don't always mean the entire deck has to go. The first question is whether the problems are limited to the surface or if they go deeper into the frame. A good way to think about it is like this. The decking boards are just the skin. The structure underneath is the skeleton. If the frame is solid, level, and free from major rot, sometimes you can repair or replace damaged boards and railings and still have a safe deck. But if the posts are rotting at the base, the beams are soft, or the deck moves when you walk across it, that points toward deeper issues that repairs alone may not fix. Moisture and time are usually the main culprits. In our climate, water can sit on surfaces and seep into wood if it's not properly protected. Over years, that can weaken posts, joists, and connections. You may not see the damage at first glance, which is why a careful inspection from underneath is so important. We look at how the deck connects to the house, whether there's rust on hardware, and if any parts are pulling away or sagging. Now let's talk about materials. Sometimes homeowners want to repair because they're worried replacement means much more future maintenance. That's where composite decking can change the equation. Composite materials from brands like Fiberon are built to handle moisture and daily use with less ongoing work than many traditional wood boards. If your framing is still strong, upgrading just the decking surface to composite can give you a fresh, low-maintenance walking surface without rebuilding everything. But there are times when replacement is simply the safer option. If the structure wasn't built correctly to begin with, if it's badly out of level, or if there's widespread rot, it doesn't make sense to put new decking on a weak base. In those cases, starting over with a properly engineered and built deck gives you a solid foundation that can support not just today's use, but also future add-ons like pergolas, covered sections, or even an outdoor kitchen. If you're not sure where your deck stands, that's completely normal. You don't have to guess. You can reach our team at 407-219-9951 or visit toughdeckbuildersorlando.com to learn more about our deck construction services and inspections. We'll walk the structure with you, explain what we see in plain language, and outline both repair and replacement options when they're available. Thanks for joining us on Deck Builders Orlando. When you're ready to know what your deck truly needs, Tough Deck Builders Orlando is here to help you make a clear, confident decision that puts safety and long-term value first.